And as Title 42 expires, Sacramento-based immigrant advocacy groups and attorneys are preparing for an influx of immigrants in our area. We spoke with them about what this will mean for the Sacramento area and more on how resources will be impacted. By now, you've probably heard of Title 42, a pandemic-era immigration policy ordered under the Trump administration, authorizing U.S. Customs and Border Protection to remove migrants trying to enter the U.S. at land borders.
People who have been rejected over the last 2 years are now going to want to enter the U.S. finally and exert their rights for protection under U.S. asylum law.
Now, one day after the policy has expired, Sacramento organizations and immigration attorneys are preparing for migrants to make their way north.
We're expecting a big influx of immigrants crossing the border.
Mona Siddiqui with the Sacramento Valley Central California office of the Council on American Islamic Relations says the end of Title 42 is a step in the right direction. The nonprofit civil rights and advocacy group she works with provides immigration legal services. This is something their organization has assisted with before, especially during the Afghan crisis that began a couple years ago.
We were informed that Sacramento County in particular was the largest hub for Afghan recent arrivals and parolees and refugees. I think we had to put a pause on acceptance of these refugees because we had so many coming into our area in particular. So ours was the largest in all of California.
With the anticipated influx of new migrants, she says there may be some challenges.
I think that just means that we're facing a large population of people coming into the country, and so our resources are going to be kind of put to the brink a little bit in terms of how we manage these folks, in terms of housing them, providing resources for them, and especially providing legal resources for them.
Sacramento volunteers are also preparing to help those who make their way to our region. The Sacramento Food Bank and Family Services says they plan to offer food and free legal assistance to migrants seeking a path to citizenship.